The fact that the superintendent followed the procedures to a letter is inspiring and shows, I think, good leadership that we've come to expect out of her.
The Police Association of New Orleans is reacting after Superintendent Ann Kirkpatrick hit two people with her SUV over the weekend. Kirkpatrick has since apologized for the incident.
And as Mike McDaniel explains, the association says it's refreshing to see a police chief in a position of accountability and acceptance.
When news got around Saturday evening that New Orleans Police Chief Ann Kirkpatrick hit two people with her SUV, Eric Hessler was paying attention.
This accident was handled much like any other accident.
An attorney for the Police Association of New Orleans, Hessler says accidents involving officers naturally come with a higher level of scrutiny.
Police spend the majority of their careers, most of them, driving around in cars. So accidents are going to happen. They're not uncommon.
Hessler says what is uncommon compared to the past is how this crash was handled.
The administrative policies that are in place were followed, including drug and alcohol testing, which is standard for any other police officer. In the past, we haven't always seen that for certain rank of certain status.
Police say Kirkpatrick was on duty in her department-issued SUV when she hit two people on Iberville Street in the French Quarter. A woman was treated for minor injuries, a man was uninjured. Speaking exclusively to WWL Louisiana Monday, Kirkpatrick said she didn't see them.
If I had seen them, I probably would have not, we wouldn't have had the accident.
Police say Kirkpatrick's breathalyzer result was 0.00. Results of a urine test are still pending. Kirkpatrick said she had just visited an officer in the hospital before the crash happened.
I'm so sorry for what happened, and I'm so grateful that the two people involved really are going to be fine, and so just terribly sorry.
It's not like she blew through an intersection or anything else. It was simply an accident.
Hessler says Kirkpatrick's comments speak to promises of transparency and accountability she made when she took over as chief last fall.
Maybe it could have been avoidable, maybe not. But nevertheless, it doesn't change the fact that it was an automobile accident.
Watching it play out, Hessler believes the investigation will be done correctly and that any punishment will be fair. Mike McDaniel, WWL, Louisiana.
Once the NOPD completes its investigation, the case will be handed over to state police for review.